Hello, I'm Chris Nielsen, Chief Quality Officer at Toyota Motor North America. I'd like to talk to you about the Takata Airbag recall, the largest vehicle recall in U.S. history. For those who don't know, tens of millions of vehicles from 19 automakers have dangerous airbag inflators that can rupture when the airbag deploys, spraying sharp metal fragments inside the cabin. Now, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, these incidents have tragically claimed over a dozen lives. And while we're thankful none of those fatalities involve a Toyota, Lexus, or Scion, we're not standing still. Because this isn't just a recall, it's a public safety crisis.
If your vehicle has a faulty airbag inflator, we're going to do our very best to convince you to schedule repair.
We may call you repeatedly, send you letters, target your social feed. We might even knock on your door.
Because until your airbag is fixed, you're putting yourself, your spouse, your child, your best friend, or whoever is in your vehicle in danger every time you drive. Now you can change all that by scheduling a free repair today.
We know you're busy. We know this isn't convenient, but we've taken the steps to make this process as easy as possible. You don't even have to wait at the dealership. We can provide a shuttle or a loaner vehicle so you can get where you need to go.
And remember, the recall repair is free and there are no hidden terms or obligations.
So please, take a few minutes and go to toyota.com/recall.
Check your VIN or your license plate, and if your vehicle's affected, contact your nearest dealership to schedule repair right then and there.
Here at Toyota, the safety of our customers is always our top priority. That's why we're so committed to resolving this issue as quickly, conveniently, and safely as possible. So please, do this for you. Better yet, do it for the person riding beside you.